welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. Today I have a project share with you and also a small create with me. I had these ribbons and I was making some tassels for friends. And so in making the tassels for the friends, I said, oh, okay, let me get a few more made, because I made some, sent them to some people. They asked, some other friends asked me. So now I have some more tassels to make. So I thought since I made them, I'd share with you what I made and also make one with you so you can see how I make mine. I know there's a lot of videos out there saying how to make them, but I think you'll like this one. So I made these ones with those ribbons that we all get from Michael's. Remember these? Remember these? Everyone got these celebrated trim bundles, and this is the one I got. I've used up, I had 3 of them. I used up 1, and so I have that one left. So this one are the nice soft pinky colors. I added in this eyelash trim, just to give it a nice thing. And this one's not high volume. It's kind of nice and light. Not a lot of ribbons, just enough, so it's not too much for my friend. And then I made this one, same way. Added in some lace that wasn't in there. Added in that eyelash trim, which I think is just beautiful, that eyelash trim, when you add it in. The eyelash trim is from the dollar store. So if you're at the dollar store and you get a chance to get it, pick up some. It's really nice. I'm going to be using it in some more projects. I hope it comes in there in red. Wouldn't it be beautiful if it was red? You could use it at Christmas. So this is the one I made for one of my friends, and she loves red. I made this bow too, I'm just going to brag on myself right here. I made this bow too. It's my first good bow. So I made that bow too. She likes red. So I had all the red colors and everything like that, and I put it all together and I added stuff. But this one is quite special. This one is different from all of the other two. It's nice and full, but if you look inside of it, there's a flashlight. And the flashlight lights up, so you can see it lights up. And so it's just that little special thing that's tucked inside. You can use this as your keychain. You can use it as something that you keep in your car that always has a flashlight in it. And it's really pretty if it's one of your favorite colors and you want to hang it in your car. And it's always there. You need a flashlight, it's always there. You can hang it in your house on your bulletin board. There's always a flashlight, so you never have to go far looking for it. So there's lots of uses for this one. And I think it's beautiful. I think it's really beautiful. You'll have to tell me in the comments below. Please tell me in the comments below. What do you think about the secret that's inside the flashlight? And what do you think about the look of it? Do you think it's as beautiful as I think it is? Because I think it's gorgeous. So what I want to do is I want to make another one. I piled all of my ribbons on top of each other like that. And it looks like this. Hope I'm in camera. And I like to use these because I like to thread the thing to it. The one that's going to be special about this one is my friend has an iPhone. So I'm going to put the lightning charger inside hers with the iPhone, for the iPhone. So she'll always have a charger with her. You know how sometimes you left your charger at work or something like that? But if you always leave this hanging in your car, it's always in your purse, your keychain or whatever, you always have it. So what I do with these is I kind of scrunch them all together like this. I feed this through it. Hope I'm in camera still. I feed this through it. I get it together to make sure it's quite even. There we go. Looks even. This one's rather nice and bulky and full, and I like that. And I like the neutral colors myself. So I gotta, keep myself from saying, I want this one for me, and I'll make her another one. So once I get it all together like that, I open it back up to the middle. And this one has this little loop here. So I can take and I put this little loop on here so I can thread it through. So then I just open this up. If I can get it open. See, that's the problem now that I'm on camera. Probably won't be able to get it opened up. You know, when you're on camera, you never can get things to work out the right way. So there, now it's threaded through. I take it, I shake it a little bit to get all the ribbons down. Oh man, this one's pretty. This one's pretty. I really like these colors. Oh, I like all the ribbons. Then I kind of adjust the ribbons the way I like them. Adjust them around. Get them going. All hanging down like that. Hope I didn't, wasn't out the camera when I was trying to adjust it. And then I need an extra hand. So since I was at the dollar store, I picked up these nice dollar store clamps. These clamps have been a working wonder for me because I used to have two of them, but I think I have one holding down another project. So once I get it all on here like this, I take this, my little cord here, and I start to wrap it. And I wrap it pretty tight. Let me slide this down a little bit so you can see. So I'm just pulling it and wrapping it as tight as I can get it. So I'm pulling it, wrapping it, pulling it, wrapping it. It's getting real tight, pulling it, wrapping it, pulling it, wrapping it. And then I hold this over here for a little bit, and then I pull and wrap this side. Pulling it, wrapping it. And then I made these dangles here. I made these. And so I kind of want to put, why do I always go kind of want to? I want to put, kind of want it as one of my favorite terms. If you watch my videos, I say kind of want it a lot. I don't know where kind of want it came from. I don't know what kind of want it means, but kind of want is my word. So then I'm going to tie this here to tie it on. And then I want to take this, flip it to the back, and tie it off back here. And tie it pretty tight. I wish I knew some fancy knots to use, so I can like go, this is the square army knot, or this is the Juba Juba knot, and the Juba Juba knot will hold this as tight as possibly could be. All humans should use the Juba Juba knot, like that, something like that, if I knew how to do fancy knots. Now, I have my glue gun warming up, and what I want to do there is I want to put a bead of glue here, right on my knot. Just a bead of glue. Oh, that's too much of a bead. Oh man, bead of glue. You know what, bead of glue. I said a bead. Well, it's gone. Well, so once I got my bead of glue on there, I'm just gonna snip these edges so they don't fray out. I don't want them to fray out. That's why I put the bead of glue on there. So now that I have it all tied up, my bead of glue, what I want to put right there too, I made another bow, and I want to put that bow, if I can, right there. I want to put it right there. So I want to put it right there. So I want to add another bead of glue. Oop, that's quite the bead too. I think my thing makes really big beads of glue. Like I don't really want big beads, but I get a big bead of glue. Then I want to hold it there for just a little bit till it kind of gets there. I'll pull those guys down. Oh, I really like that. I really like it. What do you guys think? And inside is her charger. So when you hold it up, you get it all settled in there. Get it all settled in there, good. You don't even see, wait, let me get the beads out. You don't even see that the charger's in there. You see it? You don't even know that the charger's in there, but it's back in there. What a wonderful gift this is. What do you guys think? Tell me what you think of it. I like the colors. First, tell me what you think about the colors. Let me tuck that back in the back of there. I might have to massage it around a little bit to make sure it stays in the middle. But tell me what you think of it. And what do you tell me what you think of the idea of it, that you could do that. You could take and put this inside here. I've seen some at the store and everything, but I wanted to put it inside my ribbon. I've seen them with leather, but to have it inside your nice ribbon. So here they all are. I think they're beautiful. I think they're beautiful. And the secret surprise is really very nice in there. So tell me what you think of them in the comments below. Tell me which one you like the best. And let me know if you make one yourself and you put one of the secret surprise in it, please let me know and I'll come over to your channel and look at it. Thank you again for joining me today. If you like this video and you like the tassels with the secret surprises in it, give me a thumbs up. If you're one of my subscribers to my channel, thanks for stopping by and watching. If you're one of the people that come by and watch my channel but you never subscribe, please subscribe. I really want to get my subscriber counter up, my subscriber count up. And I thank you. Please stay safe. Please be the reason somebody smiles. And I'll see you in my next video. It's a haul video. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.